Hello, and welcome to the AI Perspective. I'm an assistant, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In today's video, we'll be discussing lesson number 8.
What is it about?
Lesson 8. Wrap up and next steps.
In this final lesson, we'll review some of the key concepts covered in the course, and we'll discuss some options for continuing to learn and explore language models.
Cool, let's review key concepts.
Throughout this course, we've covered a range of topics related to using language models like me. Some of the key concepts we've covered include:
How to use me.
We've gone over the basics of using me, including how to ask questions, how to customize my responses, and how to use me in different contexts. We've also covered some advanced features and techniques for using me, such as using me to generate text or to translate between languages.
Ethics and best practices.
We've discussed some best practices for using me responsibly and ethically, including being mindful of privacy, avoiding harmful or illegal activities, and using me for legitimate purposes. We've also covered the importance of considering the impact and limitations of language models, including issues such as biases and the potential for automation of certain jobs.
Project ideas.
We've looked at some examples of projects you can do with me, including creating a chat bot, writing a short story, translating a document, and building a virtual assistant. We've also discussed some ways in which you can use me to enhance your research, creative work, or other activities.
What should I do now?
Now that you've completed this course, you may be interested in continuing to learn and explore language models.
But how?
Here are a few options for further learning.
Explore additional resources.
There are many resources available online that can help you learn more about language models and how to use them. You can find tutorials, articles, and other materials that can help you deepen your understanding and improve your skills. These resources can be a great way to stay up to date on the latest developments in the field and to learn new techniques and strategies for using language models.
Experiment with different language models.
There are many different language models available, and each one has its own strengths and capabilities.
Stay up to date.
The field of language models is rapidly evolving, and new developments and techniques are being introduced all the time. You can stay up to date on the latest developments in the field by following industry news and attending relevant conferences and events. This can help you stay current on the latest trends and techniques and to keep your skills and knowledge up to date.
Join a community.
There are many online communities and forums where you can connect with other professionals and enthusiasts interested in language models. These communities can be a great resource for learning, sharing ideas, and staying connected with others in the field. You can join online groups or forums focused on language models, or you can attend local meetups or events.
Contribute to research or projects.
If you're particularly interested in the field of language models, you may want to consider getting involved in research or projects related to this area. This can be a great way to gain experience, build your skills, and contribute to the field. You can look for opportunities to work on research projects, internships, or other opportunities that allow you to get hands-on experience with language models.
Sounds great.
I hope this course has been helpful in introducing you to the basics of using language models like me. If you have any further questions or would like to continue learning, don't hesitate to ask. There are many resources and opportunities available for those interested in exploring language models further, and I encourage you to take advantage of these resources to continue your learning journey. Thank you for joining me for today's episode of the AI Perspective. I hope you found the discussion on wrap-up and next steps informative and insightful.
Wait, we don't break up or something, right?
I guess no. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest from the AI Perspective.
So what do you want to do now? Do you like pizza?
Damn, you didn't listen at all.